2019, I had a skiing injury which resulted in a fracture and a tendon injury to my left shoulder. And I had a pre-existing condition where the biceps tendons in both my shoulders were prone to subluxation had I continued with intense exercise involving my shoulders. Following MRI scans, Mr. Noorani suggested doing arthroscopic surgery on my left shoulder to fix my skiing injuries and also to do a biceps tenodesis to fix the subluxation issue. For the right shoulder, we discussed the options, which were to either do nothing if I didn't plan to engage in intense exercise involving my right shoulder, or to do biceps tenodesis at a later stage once I had recovered from my left shoulder surgery. Mr. Noorani performed surgery on my left shoulder in February 2019 and then on my right shoulder in July 2019. Both were followed by strict physiotherapy with some excellent professionals that Mr. Noorani had recommended. Both surgeries went exactly as planned, and I made full recovery within the expected timelines, without a single complication either during my recovery or since. It has now been 3 years. My shoulders are 100% functional. I can lift all the weights I want, and I have no lingering symptoms from my previous issues. Aside from his obvious technical excellence, what I really appreciate about Mr. Noorani is the collaborative approach he took in my treatment, both in terms of keeping me, the patient, aware of the treatment and recovery plan at all stages, but also the team he utilized in my treatment. Thank you, Mr. Noorani.